Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the bootstrap-vue, and I will speak about the radian buttons. It's coming from different shapes. You can use the original one, and I'll show how you can make a little bit more nice one with the like Apple style when you see on the phone, and switch on and switch off. And yeah, that's it. That's what we're gonna do today, and I'm really happy to have you here. I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can press on the thing below in the right corner, and if you have any questions, please make a comments below and then I'll try to answer you. I really hope you want to share and like this video if you like it, and then now you are ready for continue and learning with me. Thank you so much. Let's create the simple radian button first. First we want to say the B form, and then we need to set the group. When we have the group, we can go inside to say the B form and then radio, and it's pretty simple here, so I'll just say option A, and then I want to say the V model here. V model should be radio selected 1, because we want to create more of those. And then I basically go down here and say no, we don't have to check anything, and I will do one more and say this is the B, and the value here should be B, and the value here should be A, and below I want to say to show which one you have selected. Let's go in for the browser, and you can see I have selected A and B. So that's the very basic about the radian. Let's going back for the editor, and then we can create a new one. I'll just copy this one just for saving time, so don't see me to type the same again. We want to change it to 2, and now we will speak about how you can disable one and how you can make like a object inside one, because when you're working with other things than just pure HTML, then you can do something more funny and smooth. So let's copy this 2 more times and call it A, B, C, and in this case I want to disable it, and the D here should be in the object, and the object can just doing like this one and call it A, B, C, D, and then say my option here, and then save it. Let's going back for the browser again to see what's happening. You can see the C here is disabled, the A and the B it's react as we expect, and then we have the B. Now you can see we have the object here, the D, with my option val here. So basically you can make a radian button, depends on what the user want to press, and then you can react the output like in the object and something like that. It's totally up to you. Let's going back for the editor. Radius could be styled on many ways, but one of the ways should be here. Let's copy. I just want to copy this one. Now let's copy this. I think that's fine. We just copy the selected 2 and just change it to 3, and now we want to change it like a buttons, and it's pretty easy. When we can do this, we can just say the B form radian group, and then we can, not the form radio group, here we go, and then you just copy it down here, and then we can styling the group a little bit more. This group we want to say buttons, and when you're using the form radian group, then you don't need to put this on every single form radians, because it's no all the radius inside here will be a part of each other. So we can just going down to remove this, and now we have setting the buttons with 3, and it should look like a nice buttons when we're going for the browser. So let's try this out. Now you can see we have the nice buttons here, where we have A, B, and B. I can see we have a spelling error here. I'll just fix that now. But that's how we can working with the what we call the buttons. And of course, if we want to stack this up, we need to create a Radeon what do you call it, a Radeon group, sorry, because then we can just say stacked, and when we stacked it, it will look like the other one. That's going back here. You can see now it's going from top to bottom and not from side to side. So it depends on how you want to create this user interface for your own cases, but that's how you can do this. So let's going back for the next step here in the editor. And of course, if you have some kind of you want to have outline, I'll just copy this down here. Before we are speaking about the states, I will show you how you can change the outline here. I will remove the stack and say buttons variant, and I'll say outliner, outline primary, and that's the way you can change the button colors. Let's go down here. Let's select the B in this case, so it's a pre-selected. Let's going up here, and you can see we have option A, B, C, D. C still is disabled, D still have this one. If I reload, we have the B as a pre-selected one. And now I think it's time to speak about the stage, and that's what we gone around of in this video. So let's going back to the editor and going up here, copy this one, and then we just use the number 5, and then we go down here, and I need to say null, and then we can create a state here on it and say state should be the state, and then we will going down for the compute here and create a state. And what we're gonna do is boolean and this radius select 5. That's what we're gonna do here and see about something is selected. Let's go back for the editor here. You can see nothing is selected right now, so we have some error here, and the text has still disappeared because we don't have working with the invalid field. So that's what we're gonna do in the radio group here. And you know, from the previous video we have creating from here, I will just say from invalid feedback, and then we want to say state, and then state, oops, and inside here we want to say please select one, and I'll copy one, then we say thank you, and then we say valid feedback, and I'll just save this and remove this one. Let's going back for the browser one more time, and you can see we have some kind of error here. It's not so smooth. I think it's it would be nice to move it a little bit down below of it. And going back for the browser here, please select one, and when I select one, we'll say thank you. So that's, I can just scale it a little bit up so you can see what happened. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you to have you to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and remember, all the code will be on the GitHub, and you can find the GitHub link in the description. And I really hope you want to smash the comments if you have any questions, and I really hope you want to like and share this video, and of course I really hope you want to subscribe. Thank you so much and hope to see you next time. Bye.